guys! Tomorrow is my son's 3rd birthday, so I'll be going out today because I'm going to buy cake, birthday cake. Siguro sa Red Ribbon lang kami pupunta kasi may malapit na Red Ribbon bake shop here. And then I will go to the grocery store. I will buy, syempre, hindi nawawala yung spaghetti, yung hot dog, mga ice cream, cake, ayan. So, yon ang agenda natin today. Palabas tayo, bibili tayo ng mga kailangan natin. Is just a simple birthday celebration that we're going to do here in our house kasi we're in total lockdown dito sa Bulacan. We are located in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, and then total lockdown pa rin dito. So, ayun. And then, kahit naman hindi total lockdown, hindi pa rin pwede talagang mag-celebrate ng as in sobrang birthday party para sa mga kids. So, family lang. Hindi ko nga din masundo yung mapupunta dito yung mga in-laws ko, yung lola niya, and then yung tito niya sa kabila. Sa kabilang, they are in Caloocan. Yun, hindi sila pwede dito. For the safety na rin, ayun, kaya kami lang talaga, as in, yung mommy ko lang, daddy ko, and then the sister and my sister, and then my son, yun, and then yung daddy naman is nasa Canada, so kami lang talaga yung magse-celebrate. Kaya, syempre, kahit na ganito yung sitwasyon natin, kahit papaano kailangan nating i-celebrate yung simple birthday lang, ipaghanda lang natin yung mga anak natin yun kapag birthday nila, or kahit yung sarili natin, di ba? Hindi naman kailangang magpatawag ka pa ng banda, di ba? So, yun lang ang agenda natin. So, punta tayo, and then pupunta muna ako sa school ng baby girl ko. Dadaan ako doon kasi magpe-pay na ako ng tuition fee kasi mag-online class na siya, virtual class. So I will go there to pay her tuition fee, and then after that I will go to Red Ribbon to buy cake, birthday cake for my son, and then grocery store to buy yung ibang ihahanda for tomorrow. And also I will go to mini para siyang national bookstore kasi kailangan kong bilhan yung anak ko, yung baby girl ko naman, ng mga needs niya for her online. So nandun yung pencils, ball pens, yan, and then whiteboard, small whiteboard, and a marker kasi pagka nagma-math class sila, so kailangan yung mga answer, ganyan, i-erase mo lang na ganun kasi nga it's a virtual class. So that's it, and then I will go with my dad kasi si daddy yung nagta-drive, and of course, syempre, kailangan yung protocol kapag lalabas ka, bring your alcohol, and then also your face mask, and then face shield, and etc. yan, to protect yourself, and also to protect your family when you come home, and also to protect others outside. So, see you in a bit, guys! Kumusta ka naman dyan? Di So, ayun guys, antayin na lang natin si Daddy. Hey guys! I'm back! So, ayun, nakauwi na tayo dito sa bahay and nabili ko na rin yung mga kailangan ko para kay Bunso, kay yon sa baby boy ko and also sa baby girl ko. So, yun lang guys. And then, kita-kits tayo tomorrow because tomorrow is my son's birthday. So, I will, syempre, i-vlog natin yon, diba? I-document natin yon kasi kaya nga tayo nag-vlog diba? Para makabuo tayo ng mga gandang memories. Alright? So, I hope you like this video. Kahit simple lang. So, lockdown, pero kailangan pa rin natin mapasaya ang mga anak natin at ang pamilya natin. Simpleng celebration kasama ang buong pamilya at magkakasama kayo, healthy kayo with God. This is the center of any relationship. Yon, that's the best thing in the world na hindi priceless, okay? Na hindi matatapatan ng kahit na magkano, guys. So, always remember that. Alright, family is love. So, thank you guys for watching again. And please don't forget to subscribe and click like, thumbs up, and don't forget to click the bell icon para updated kayo sa ating mga next vlogs. Kita-kits ulit tayo next time. Bye! Godspeed!